All right, hello everybody. My name is Justin Clark and I'm leading the Equipment Reliability and Troubleshooting track of the 2023 Global TapRooT Summit on Root Cause Analysis. This is going to be a very fast-paced track on everything to do with equipment. So if you deal with equipment as a reliability manager, as a maintenance manager, as an operator, as a technician, as a site manager, this track is for you. We're going to be going over all of the best practices that we have seen from users around the world with Equifactor. We're going to be hearing from some of the developers of the TapRooT Equifactor troubleshooting tables and how they've implemented them in their company. We'll learn from, see many examples of how to use Equifactor effectively as you're developing your program and what some more advanced examples look like. And then we'll finish off the track with learning about the high reliability organization development in the Nuclear Navy Submarine Force, and this will be given by Mark Paradise, the president of TapRooT. So I look forward to seeing you all there and getting better at doing equipment. Have a good day.